Indirect object pronouns. What are indirect object pronouns and how do we use them in Italian? Generally, pronouns are used when we don't want to repeat over and over something previously mentioned. For example, last week I gave a book to John. I gave him the book because I knew he'd like it. I used him in the second sentence instead of repeating to John. Him is the indirect object pronoun and it is referring to John. I could have also said I gave the book to him because I knew he'd like it. How do I know if I have an indirect object? Every time we can ask the question to what, to whom, for whom, or for what, we have an indirect object. Let's take a look at the following sentences. Laura gives the book to John. Can we ask the question using to whom? We can probably ask more than one question, but if we can ask to whom, then we have an indirect object. To formulate the question, we use the same verb and subject from our sentence. The question would be, to whom does Laura give the book? Or who does Laura give the book to? To John is the answer, and thus it is the indirect object. To John can be substituted with the indirect object pronoun him or to him. Laura gives a book to him or she gives him a book. Let's see another sentence. They buy a gift for me and Lisa. I can ask for whom they buy a gift or who do they buy a gift for? The answer is for me and Lisa. For me and Lisa can be substituted with us or to us. They buy us a gift. They buy a gift for us. In this video, we talked about indirect object pronouns and how to find out if we have an indirect object.